Next, I'm going to create the end tip of the bell. So I'm going to just press down Option Alt, left click to pan it to the right, and I'm going to zoom in. By place down two of my fingers on the mouse pad and then slide forward to zoom in. And I'm going to just come over here to this Edit Pattern tool, click on it. Then come back over here and click one on this edge of the fabric and then right click. Next, I'm going to select Offset as internal line. So refer to the bell spec guide, we need two internal lines for this end tip. The first one, the distance needs to be 2 cm. Then I'm going to click on OK to confirm. So by default, that internal line is selected. I'm going to just right click and then I want to come over here to this Extend/Trim Add Point, hover the mouse to the right, and then select to pattern outline. It looks like nothing really happened, guys, but however, we just create 1 point on each of these lines. Next, I'm going to create the second internal line. So while this Edit Pattern tool is active, I'm going to just click one on the edge of the fabric right there, then right click, and I'm going to select Offset as internal line once again. And this time, instead of 2 cm, I'm going to type in 11 cm. Then, number of offsets is 1, perfect, and I'm going to click on OK. Once again, guys, by default, the internal line is selected. I'm going to right click, and this time I'm going to convert it to baseline. Okay, so we will use this line as a guide to place the hole when we punch a hole on this belt strap, okay? After that, I'm going to create a point right here on this center edge of this end tip, okay? To do that, I'm going to come over here to this Edit Pattern tool, click on it. Then hover the mouse to the right and then select Add Point/Split Line. Next, I'm going to come down here and hover the mouse over that edge line once again and then right click. Okay, so this happened, guys, the mistake happened when I right click. My hand will just click it off rather than on the line. So what you're gonna do, just press Escape to get out of it and try it again. So once again, hover the mouse onto the edge of the line and you see that purple point appear. Right click, okay, to bring this split line window. And by default, it is split into 2 lines. We don't want that. We want to come down here to Uniform Split. Click on it. And as you can see right here in the preview, we have this point right on the center, which is exactly what we want. After that, I'm going to come over here, click on OK. All right. Next, we are going to remove both of these points right here on each side of this yellow highlighted point, okay? To do that, I'm going to come over here to that second icon, the tool right there, click on it, and then hover the mouse to the right, and then select Edit Pattern tool. This time, I'm going to just marquee select this point right here. Then I'm going to press down Shift on my keyboard, and marquee select this point as well. Then I'm releasing the Shift on my keyboard and I'm going to press down Delete or backspace on the keyboard to delete both of these points. As you can see, we just create this perfect end tip for the belt strap. Next, we are going to create 5 holes for the belt strap. Hi, I'm Rose Willie from encoderfashion. There is more information under this video. Bye!